Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
One fine, cool, cloudy evening, we thought of making Fusilli Pasta in curd sauce. Antioxidants, prebiotic, vitamins, minerals and fiber loaded, and superbly differently tasting with al dente cooking method. And how to make it? But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break the misleading assumptions and presumptions and bless us all with keen curiosity, sharp sight, clear hearing and far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom.
And now for the recipe. Garden fresh vegetables, more or any of your choice.
Now, what is al dente or to the tooth cooking process?
You can stop the slide and go through. And to cook al dente vegetables, medium-high heat and a deep bottom fry pan, which is a must. Add olive oil
And swirl the pan around. Add garlic and saute till it begins to change color. And stir just a shade and then quickly add onions. Again saute as it begins to change color and stir a shade, and green chilies, saute, stir and quickly add carrots. Again saute, a brief stir and add green peas and corn and capsicum. Saute quickly, stir briefly and add sea or any natural salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. Stir briefly to mix the spices and the salt. Now immediately done, add tomatoes and saute briefly or stir briefly and switch off the heat or the flames and shift the fry pan as I require this burner. Now Fusilli Pasta, this is what I will be using. And to cook al dente pasta, add the pasta to the water in a pot and add sea or natural salt, olive oil, this is optional of course, and aag lagao and bring on the pot to the fire. Now stir the pasta occasionally to prevent clumping. This is very important. Now occasionally check if pasta is evenly cooked. No, it isn't done as yet. The pasta is cooked al dente till it is tender, chewy and firm on the outside, but offering resistance to the bite or cut without being crunchy or mushy. Now this is what is required. Pasta takes about 8 or 10 minutes to be cooked al dente. Once the pasta reaches the desired al dente texture, drain the pasta from the starch filled water and Immediately add cold water and rinse thoroughly. That is to stop further cooking of the pasta. Now, discard the starch loaded water and do not use. Never use that water. Throw it away. Now, bring back the vegetables on the heat or the flames. But before we go ahead, curd or yogurt, and this is why you never cook curd or yogurt, and how to cook curd and yogurt, you can stop the slides and go through in detail. Now, homemade fresh curd or yogurt, and take as much as you wish, but not too much also, and add the curd or yogurt as such or dilute it. People will prefer to dilute curd with water, but I do not. Now, add pasta masala mix, spice powder, and saute briefly. Beautiful aroma, beautiful color, beautiful taste, and now check. To add corrections if required, if any, no, none at all. It's perfect, it's beautiful. And now add the pasta, saute, and mix quickly. Mix, mix, mix. Let the pasta absorb the curd and yogurt sauce. And al dente fusilli pasta in curd sauce is ready. Beautiful to look at, and believe me, beautiful to taste too. Now switch off the flames or the heat and invite all you know, and plate, serve, and enjoy with all your known. And remember to eat yourself too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.